groundbreaking decision has been made by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, that could revolutionize the way we approach menopause and hormone replacement therapy, HRT. Prepare to be intrigued as we delve into this controversial yet crucial topic. The FDA has decided to remove the notorious black box warning label from HRT products, a move that has sparked both excitement and debate. But here's where it gets interesting. This decision stems from a re-evaluation of scientific studies conducted in the early 2000s, which initially led to the placement of the highest warning label on HRT drugs. Dr. Marty Makary, FDA Commissioner, boldly stated, "This is one of the greatest mistakes in modern medicine, the demonization of hormone replacement therapy." An expert panel formed by the FDA reviewed the latest research and recommended the removal of the warning, citing an outdated analysis of data as the reason for the previous fear-inducing label. Hormone replacement therapy may improve the health outcomes of women more than any other intervention, except perhaps antibiotics or vaccines, Makary explained. He further highlighted the importance of the timing of HRT initiation, which was a critical factor overlooked in the early 2000s studies. Current understanding suggests that the benefits of HRT outweigh potential risks when taken before age 60 or within 10 years of menopause onset. This is a significant shift in perspective and a relief for many women who have avoided HRT due to fear of cancer or heart risks. Doctors have been waving a flag for decades for women who felt they didn't get the right information. Makary added, "The new label on HRT products will be seen by consumers in the coming months. But it's important to note that there are still risks associated with HRT, and a prescription is required. Women considering HRT should consult with their doctors to make an informed decision." The FDA's decision has been applauded by federal health officials, including Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr., who emphasized the thorough, evidence-based review process. The American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, ACOG, also reacted positively, stating that the label change will increase access to hormone therapy and allow for shared decision-making between patients and clinicians. Dr. Rachel Rubin, a leading physician behind the announcement, described the decision as revolutionary, highlighting the decades-long effort to bring about this change. "The labeling was a huge hurdle, but now the real work begins, educating clinicians and patients," Rubin said. "This decision opens up a new chapter in the discussion around menopause and HRT, and it will be interesting to see the impact it has on women's health and well-being." What are your thoughts on this controversial yet potentially life-changing development? Feel free to share your opinions and experiences in the comments below.